Oh my god, guys, don't judge me. We're in a quarantine right now. Period. I've been on TikTok way too much. Might look a little pale. I haven't been out in the sun in like 5 days. Probably longer. Yeah, I know I've been gone a while. I suck. So I gotta fix that, honey, because we're in a quarantine and that means I have to be on my shit. So before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see more of. I know you guys love my top 10 songs, but I'm trying to like fall back. Maybe I'll surprise you guys with one last one. I don't know. I did my basic makeup just to save a little bit of time. It looks awful. I obviously didn't put lashes on right now because I'm gonna do my eyeshadow and everything else, so I don't want like the dust and the shadow to get on my eyelashes. So I've clearly been on TikTok too much, but I thought this video would be something fun. Never really transformed myself into an e-girl. Back in my day, I'm an old bitch. So we had scene girls, scene boys. That was its own little thing. That was its own gender. That was its own religion right there. Scene. Scene had like the crazy hair. This e-girl is pretty much like the same thing. Just kind of cleaner. I feel like a clean scene girl. You had like hideous makeup. First of all, there was no like good makeup how it is today. Shitty makeup, crazy hair. Today it's like toned down and cute and like you don't need tons of hairspray for this shit. Okay, so I have some pictures here of like e-girl looks makeup wise. I don't know if I want to keep it soft or go all out. I'll see. I'll see when the time comes. When I do the soft look, then I will do that. Pink is the look. I feel like with e-girls, like your eyeshadow has to be pink. So that's what we're doing. I'm not no damn makeup artist, but we will try it out. Maybe if I do white first. I don't know. I'm just winging this. Like, I haven't really done my makeup since St. Patty's Day, and that was kind of cute. I'm just doing the white to kind of... Oh. It's gonna look so bad. I'm kind of scared that it won't turn out how I want it.
I'm making a video!
It's like, obviously I should know this, like, common sense.
Shut up!
Anyway, let me see how these girls do it. Is it just like one tone of pink? Do they blend it out? Cute. Like, I feel like an e-girl is like scene / brat / 2020. If you don't know what brats are, girl, you are missing out. I was not the Barbie bitch. I was definitely the Bratz bitch. Jade was my bitch. That was me. I was always Jade. We can leave that. It's okay if you have fallout from the pink shadow because you're gonna want to freaking do a lot of blush on your nose, like you're freezing in 20-degree weather. So I always like to do like a little smoky eye, but this is looking like trash. Oh man, this is a bad idea. I feel like glitter needs to be done here, like some little glam. Anyway, it's a super thick eyeliner. Perfect for the winged eyeliner that you want to use for this because I have very tiny eyes, so you have to be very dramatic with the way you do your liner. Not bad. these eyelashes on. They might be a little big for my eyes. I might have to cut them. I don't take tweezers. Okay. Okay, bitch. Yes. Oh my god. This definitely. I'm out of work right now. I'm a bartender and a server. So now I'm jobless. I think this was a sign from the universe to get me the back on here. Kind of more natural looking. Give them some Oh. See? There's a difference. Bitch, let me pop off. My Instagram followers are gonna be like, what the fuck? What happened? What is she, an e-girl now? Like Rudolph the fucking red-nosed reindeer, bitch. I honestly think the red nose is cute. Like, I think I might do that. Get me the fuck out of here. Don't comment me because I've never fucking done these fake freckles, so I'm just gonna try it. Bitch, I'm a whole e-girl right now. You know I gotta go all out here. I bought this little hair chalk because I ain't dyeing my hair as much as I want to. My hairstylist will kick my fucking ass for touching my hair. Oh my god. Bitch, and we completed our look. Oh my god, I can't like process the fact that the front is pink. Thank you guys for watching. I missed you all so much. So if you missed me, want to see more, comment down below, like, subscribe, comment, share, do what you gotta do. This was a really fun video, actually. I think it was something different. Oh my god. This is so cute. I'm about to go take so many pictures. Okay, thank you guys. Love you. Bye.